Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to add products into the Shopify by using make.com scenario. So I have this API. This is free API, and they provide the images and the title and the description and the prices, etc. So let's go to the make.com and create a new scenario, and then click on this plus icon, and first module we are going to use, that is HTTP. Okay, so make a HTTP request and copy this URL and paste over here and save that. And if you run this module only, we will be able to fetch all the data over here. All the products are here in array, and this is a long string. We need to convert this string into the JSON. So next module we are going to add the JSON. So we will use parse JSON, and then we will pass this data string over here. Now we have a array. We need to iterate all the images so we can add them into the Shopify. So I will add a new module and go to the flow control, and from here I will use iterator, and in the iterator I need to pass the images array. So let's run this module one time. So we will have the images array parsed by JSON. So I click over here again, and now you can see we have images array, and I will pass this array over here and then click on save. You can see we have all the bundles separately, like title, ID, everything. All the products are now in a separate bundle. Okay, from this bundle we need to separate the images and iterate all the images. Next module we are going to use is array aggregator, because we are going to pass the images array in the Shopify module. So I will add first the Shopify module, Shopify and create product. We'll search create a product, and over here I have already connected this with my Wixo checkout store, and I will pass the title over here, and then product type should be the category name, status, active, and body HTML we can pass the description, and vendor vendor should be okay. Just skip the vendor and then click on show advanced setting. Over here we have media and add the media. We can add the media, like we can add the all text, media content, and image source, but we will pass the images array over here. So all the images will be placed over here. So let's save this, and now we need to add another module over here to make the images array, and we will use array aggregator, and in the array aggregator we will use this iterator 3, and then the target structure should be media, and alt text we can use title, and media type should be image, and the image source should be this one, the value of the array. So what will happen, this will make another array of the images, and then we can use that array in over here in the media. So I will use this array which is coming from the aggregator and click on save. Now auto align our scenario and save this, and you can see we don't have any problem, we don't have any product. And if I run this module and let's see what happens. So it is adding the product into my Shopify store, and if I reload, and you will see all the products are coming over here with along with the images. If I open any product, you will see we have all the images, we have title, we have description, we have type, everything. So this is how you can add products into Shopify by using make.com and by fetching the product from third-party API. So it's very easy with the make.com. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.